Hi, I don't know if it's recording yet, but we're going to get started. The song we're performing today is Moe Moe Pepe. It's not a song I'm familiar with. I'm even not really comfortable playing this ukulele, partly to practice and partly to introduce things to others who might be less familiar with the song and the ukulele. If we look at the ukulele has 4 strings, the G, C, E, A string. Our song today has 4 chords. The first chord is the G chord. It's made by pressing the C string and the A string on the 2nd fret and the E string on the 3rd fret. The second chord in the song is a C chord. To make the C chord, just hold the A string down at the 3rd fret. For the D chord, hold the G, C, and E strings down at the 2nd fret. And for the A minor chord, hold the G string down at the 2nd fret. The song is a Samoan song. I don't know Samoan, so I'm just following along with the recording our mother made, and also for the strumming, I'm not familiar. I tend to just do this kind of thing, but try to listen to what the recording is doing and imitate that sound. Just a couple of points on holding the ukulele. It's also a work in progress for me. There's a lot of points we're working on. And you should put your thumb, I gather, close to the middle of the ukulele, though I tend to wrap my hand around that way. And sometimes I was playing down here and I heard it sounds better if you play more towards the middle or high up in the ukulele. Anyway, these are just a couple of points, maybe too much, but what I'm trying to keep in mind as I work through the song. Well, let's get started. I'll just start this recording for myself. It's only 30 seconds long. You can go through that again as many times as you like, and each time you can get a little bit more comfortable with it.